Ladies, forgive me. I'm going back to my roots and I'm selling a Mustang again at MustangMedic. This is probably the last classic Mustang I'm going to sell. And it's a 65. It's got a 302 in it, like a 68 302. And it's got GT40 heads. It's a rebuilt motor, performance motor. It's got a rebuilt rear and it's got no rust. And it's got no paint. And it's got a little bit of interior. But this car is straight. I drove it cross country for 29 days. I rolled without any issue. I changed out the springs, the shocks, the saddles. It's got brand new exhaust system on it. The tires are 4 years old. With about $5,000 with a paint job and interior, that car's worth $30,000. It's going through the auction block on Friday, tomorrow, at around 5:30. So pre-register right now. Get online, Carlisle Auctions. Go to their website, carlisleauction.com. It's Carlisle Auctions or auction? Auction or auctions? Carlisle Auctions? Yeah? Carlisle, he's checking his hat. Yeah? CarlisleAuctions.com and pre-register and bid on this car. Because straight up, if it actually sold for like $20,000 and you put 5 into it, you still can make $6,000 on it. She ain't pretty, but she's straight and she has no rust. They made 750,000 of these Mustangs. And they all rusted out because they're all stamped like tin cans. This one's got good metal on it, so you can just cut $6,000 out of your budget of metal work on this car. We'll see what happens. I appreciate you guys. Ladies, thank you for your patience with me selling one last car. The other Mustang's gone. I'm down to one Mustang that I drove here, and that's 65, which you can watch the video series. I'll put the link right underneath, and you'll see the playlist of 90 videos. You'll know everything you want to know about that car if you're looking for a car to put together with your son or your daughter. Thanks for watching, guys. MustangMedic, selling a car at auction. One more time. And here's under the hood. That's a 302 rebuilt performance motor. It's a brand new Street Fighter Holley carburetor right there. That's a typical Ford sound when you close the hood. And then not much interior is left, but none of that matters. This is nothing but raw potential for a project car for somebody, or somebody just wants to drive around in a rustic Mustang. I think it's a great deal. Tomorrow night, bid on her. Support MustangMedic, finding the truth. Thanks for watching, guys. And gals, thank you for putting up with me selling one more Mustang.